Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add music to your Canva videos. Let's dive in. Start by opening Canva and selecting a video project. Next, add your video clip. For this example, I'll use stock footage from Canva. Go to the Apps section in the left panel, click on Video. Then enter keywords in the search box to search. Find the appropriate video, drag and drop it into the page. Resize the clip to fill the screen. Now let's add music. Click on the Audio tab in Apps. Browse Canva's music library. Some tracks are free, while others require a pro subscription. Preview a track by clicking its thumbnail. To add it, click on the track's name, not the thumbnail. By default, the music starts where your timeline playhead is. To align it with the video start, you can stretch the music clip to match the video. Alternatively, drag the playhead to the beginning and click the audio to add it to the timeline. You can add multiple video clips to the timeline, and the music will play seamlessly across them. Ensure your video clips are resized to fill the screen for a polished look. Once satisfied, go to Share, click Download to export your video with audio. And that's it! Now your Canva video has engaging background music. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.